Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with a new video, that is Efftronics on-campus placement interview, which is for 5.3 LPA. In my previous videos I have given a detailed explanation on round 1, which is written test. The one who are qualified in written exam, they are called for the interview, which is for 5.3 LPA. The written test, that is round 1, is occurred in our college itself, but the one who are shortlisted in round 1, they are called for the interview to the Mangalgiri Efftronics office, which is in Vijayawada. Okay, the one who are shortlisted in round 1, they are eligible for the interview, but they have to go to the Mangalgiri Efftronics office, which is in Vijayawada. Okay, now let us see the interview, how it is taken place. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you are already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, now let us go into the video. Okay, interview, it is of three rounds. In interview there are 3 rounds. Okay, don't confuse. Efftronics, okay, the requirements are resume and passport size photo. You have to carry these with you. Okay, round 1, that is written. In interview there are 3 rounds. The first round is written. DBMS SQL queries, ER diagrams and relationships, and data integrity and relational schema, and they have asked various things for different people. And in C, unsigned data bits and number of times number is repeated. Okay, that is the program. And maths, that is arithmetic questions they have asked. The one who are eligible in round 1, they are eligible for the round 2, that is technical round. Technical questions are asked. For few members they have conducted HR round. For few members they have asked to live in the technical round itself. Okay, it is based upon your interviewer. Okay, there are 3 rounds in the interview itself. They are conducted in Mangalgiri Efftronics Center, which is in Vijayawada. Let us see the round 1, that is written exam. I have given the sample SQL questions which they might be asked, but these are not the questions which were asked in interview. These are the type of questions which they have asked. Okay, in the SQLs, retrieve all the details of students who scored more than 80 marks in mathematics. So this is how you have to write your SQL query. Select star from student where subject is equals to mathematics and marks is greater than 80. See, I have done a playlist on SQL queries. If you are new to the channel, please go and see the SQL queries playlist also, so that it helps you where you are giving your interview or exam. Okay, this is the query you have to write to select the students who got the 80 marks or more than 80 marks. Okay, count the number of students enrolled in each grade. Okay, select grade, count star as a student count from student, and group by grade. You have to group them by grade, right? So these are the type of SQL queries they might be asking, so prepare well. And then ER diagrams and relationships. Coming to the ER diagrams, they might ask you to draw a ER diagram for online shopping system. Okay, the entity is considered a customer, product and order, and relationships are places customer to order, and that contains order to product. Okay, and they might also ask ER diagram for hospital management system. Okay, so be prepared with this ER diagrams and relationships, the difference between one-to-one and one-to-many relationships with examples. And one-to-one means a person and their passport. Okay, one-to-many means teacher and the students. Okay, this one teacher, it is relationship with these students, whereas one person is related to their passport itself. So one to one, one to many. Okay, describe many to many relationship with an example. Many students enrolled in many courses, and entities are student, course, and relationships are enrolls. Okay, these are the type of questions which can be asked in ER diagrams and relationships. And prepare somewhat hard. Okay, hard questions prepare, so that you can aim for better. And these are the questions from data integrity and relational schema. Data integrity, what are the types of data integrity in DBMS? It includes entity integrity, referential integrity, domain integrity, and user defined integrity. Give an example where referential integrity is maintained. A foreign key in the orders table reference the primary key in the customers table. Okay, these are the questions can be asked in data integrity. And relational schema. Design a relational schema for the student management system. How it can be seen? Student SID can be integer, name string, age can be integer, and department ID is an integer. Okay, and department ID and department name. Okay, relational schema for inventory system. Okay, this is for student management system. These are the questions which can ask from data integrity and relational schema. Right? Okay, let us go into the another questions. These are the year questions. It is completed, right? Data integrity and relational schema completed. And C programming. Okay, this is what you are waiting for, right? Okay, what is the sign of unsigned int in C? Okay, typically 4 bytes. Okay, depends on the system. And write a program to count how many times a number appears in an array. Okay, 1 2 3 2 1 2 2 1 5 2. Here the most occurring one is 1 and 2. 2 is the most occurring. Okay, so you have to tell the count. Okay, so now see size of array, that means here the size of array by size of 0. This is what. Now count, and the target is 2. Now you are going to find the count of that. See, in the written exam you have to just put the logic, right? So be prepared with the logic. What you are doing, if the target is equals to the target, then array element is equals to the target, then you are incrementing the count. Okay, this is the program you have to write, and you can do in another way. Okay, it is your wish, but the question asked is this. Okay, now aptitude. In the aptitude they are asked about graphs, profit and loss, equations, time and speed and distance and areas, and many more things they have asked. So these are the particular ones which they have asked the mostly. That is with the round 1, the one who qualified in round 1, they are eligible for the round 2, that is technical round. And the questions on C and DBMS, joins and types, union, structure, offset, limit. Okay, C and DBMS. What are the joins in DBMS, and explain types. Joins combine rows and two from two tables. Inner join, common data from both tables. Left join means all data from the left table matching data from the right table. Okay, right join means all data from the right table and matching data from the left table. And full join, and explain union in SQL. Okay, what the union does, it combines the results of two queries. Okay, removing duplicates, and select name from students, union select name from teachers. It is the union operator. And what is offset and limit in SQL? Offset skips the rows, and limit specifies the number of rows to retrieve. Okay, select star from the employees, limit 10, offset 5. Okay, what does offset? Skips the rows. Okay, it skips 5 rows, and limit specifies the number of rows to be retrieved, 10 rows. Okay, that is the thing with C and DBMS. Now let us see the programming which is asked in the problems asked in the HR interview. Okay, technical interview. Okay, to check the number is prime or not. Okay, prime or not. What will you do? You will call a function. First, this is the main method. You are declaring n is equals to 7, and you are calling whether it is prime or not. If it is prime, then you are going to print it is prime. If n is less than 1, it is not prime, because 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now you have to check from 2. I is equals to 2, and this is the case. If the number is divisible by I, if it returns 0, then it is not a prime number. If not, it is a prime number. Okay, that is the thing with the check the number is prime or not. And print the matrix with swap diagonals. Okay, this is the thing. You are given a matrix and you are calling a swap diagonals. And here you are using inner for loops, two inner for loops, and you are reading the matrix, and okay, and this is the function which is going to do. Okay, they asked you to swap the matrix, right? So you are using temp variable and you are storing in temp and you are exchanging it. Okay, this is way swapping occurs. And diagonals they have asked, so that you should be particular while accessing those indexes. Okay, that is the thing with this print matrix with swapped diagonals. And the question is, show two numbers are the same without the arithmetic operations. Okay, now here see, you are assigned 5 and 5 to the a and b two variables. Okay, right, then you are calling, are they same, the function you are same, you are calling a function. Okay, you are okay. Now XOR operation, you know about the XOR operations, right? The operations of XOR. If 0 0 means it will return 0, 1 1 means it will return 0, 0 1 means it will return 1, right? If the inputs are different, 0 1 1 0, then only it return 1. If they are same, it will return 0. Okay, then if they are not written, not of a XOR b, okay, then it will return the 0. In this way you are going to solve that. You have to use the XOR operation. Okay, coming into the 4, store and display the student details using this structure. These are the C topic. It is structure, right? You have to declare in this way: struct student, char name, int id, int age, and float marks. And this is the main method. You have a struct students, it is student type now, so you have to give in that way only. Okay, you are accessing along with that. Okay, you have to use pointer here. So this is way the things are occurred. For few members they have asked only the technical questions and they asked to leave. For few members they have asked the HR questions and then they asked to leave. So prepare well for the technical round as well as HR questions. In my next video I might be posting about the HR questions. Don't worry, if you want more and more videos, please put it in comment section. And this interview has occurred less than 5 days ago. Okay, it is occurred less than 5 days ago. Again, for few of the people in this week the interview is scheduled. I will gather more and more information for you, but before that please hit a like and share the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you so much.